All right, project cr125 underway right now. I missed a couple videos on this one. This is an 01 cr125r. She's been ridden hard and put up wet for sure. Some plastics under there. Picked this spike up on a trade. So everything's blown out. Rear shock was pouring. We just rebuilt the front forks today. Just got that done momentarily. Huge order at Rocky Mountain. Got everything we need for the most part. Got a Wrench Rabbit full rebuild kit coming for it. Motor's on the stand, waiting on that. Already got a couple hours on the frame on this thing with some cleaner, mag wheel cleaner, and just, you know, some elbow grease and working, and we're getting it pretty good to go. This bike's gonna be real fun, and you know, we got new everything: brake pads, guide and slides, kill switches, hardware, you know, rear axle blocks, gears, chains, peckhawks, all new Motion Pro cables, new clutch. This bike is going to be extremely nice to whoever wants it. We're going to get it together here pretty quick within the next week or two and probably ride it, and she might be on the chopping block. So potential buyers, here is some videos. I'll definitely forward the links to whoever is interested in this bike, these videos. Green sticker too, so California legal year round. Thanks.